thumbs up from me for that. We definitely want to be keeping an eye on those things. Here's a live look from Domenico's on the Wharf tonight. What we're seeing is the return of some low clouds. They're back after a fairly sunny day here on the Central Coast. There was a bit of a breeze, but now as we move on to our low cloud tracker, you can see we are dealing with some passing high clouds. These are the light gray clouds. The low clouds will show up in a yellow color. We can see a patch just east of Salinas up against the Gabs and also around the Monterey Peninsula tonight. So a few low clouds beginning to form. They're actually in advance of a weather system. We'll zoom out a bit. You can see this is actually bringing some light rain to Northern California right now. The tail end is going to skim by us tonight and into tomorrow morning. It may bring a little bit of moisture for us. Unfortunately, not really a good old rain like we could use, but some that could at least wet the pavement tomorrow morning, so we'll keep an eye on that. Let's take a look at FUTURECAST. We'll go right into it. We'll show an increase in clouds by midnight tonight. We should be pretty cloudy right around the bay, although maybe not so much inland just yet. And again, as this comes through, what we'll experience is more like a few sprinkles and some drizzle, but I think it's possible that in some places, especially northwest facing slopes close to the ocean, we could get enough to wet the ground and the roadways. So watch out for some slippery spots around the Monterey Peninsula on over to the east side of the bay overnight tonight into tomorrow morning. Notice it's not much that's showing up, but there's a little bit of green on the map with that precipitation potential overnight. Then we'll wake up to mostly cloudy skies tomorrow morning, may even have a little drizzle out there, then slowly fading clouds as we head into the afternoon tomorrow afternoon. In fact, by lunchtime will be mostly sunny, and then a few clouds will return tomorrow night, but generally starting off cloudy. By midday will be mostly sunny and then partly cloudy by the end of the day. The computer model is showing some accumulated precipitation. It's probably a little bit wet, I think. I don't think we're going to see, for example, 0.05 of an inch in Carmel Valley, but you may see 1/100 of an inch there or in Monterey tonight into tomorrow morning. So we'll track that for you, no doubt about it. Temperatures tomorrow beyond this system, a little bit cool still. It'll be breezy as well. 60s in the Santa Cruz Mountain Valleys, the Scotts Valley, Santa Cruz in the low 60s, 61 in Capitola, 50s up in the hills, and over on the north coast tomorrow. Davenport 59 for your high. Watsonville, you're going to stay in the 60s tomorrow, low 60s in Salinas and Hollister, but not really all that warm anywhere. Most of us will see highs that are at or slightly below normal for this time of year. Staying in the 50s in Castroville and most of the peninsula in the 50s tomorrow, including Monterey at 59, same in Seaside and PG only 57. And then farther south, Salinas Valley, highs in the 60s, but about as warm as we'll get tomorrow, maybe 64, 65. It looks like we got a typo on that Greenfield low. That should be right around 38 tomorrow morning instead of 3. That would be very cold, and you'd really have to cover those crops, but more like 38. You'll be okay. No frost worries in Greenfield. All right, as we look at that extended forecast, temperatures staying pretty consistent for both our highs over and lows for the next couple of days. Our weather system, or weather pattern rather, is going to be fairly progressive, meaning that several weather systems are going to slide through. They'll just be too far to the north. Another one similar to the one that's coming overnight tonight will be here into Wednesday morning and may bring similar things like some light drizzle into Wednesday morning. Thanksgiving looks dry, and then we'll be a little bit warmer as for our highs as we head into the weekend, but the lows will be a little chillier as the air dries back out again under mostly sunny skies. And then inland areas also breezy for the next couple of days. May see a few sprinkles on Wednesday morning, some fog possible on Tuesday morning, frosty mornings as you head into Black Friday and the Saturday after. And after a couple of cool days, highs will get closer to normal by the end of the week.